Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you where you can actually play media files on your master combo decoder. Alright, so not every FT decoder allows media files to be played on it. Alright, so to play media files on your decoder, all you got to do is to insert your drive in any of the ports available on your master combo decoder. We have one port at the front here and another one here. So after inserting your drive, you just go straight to the menu and then continue from there. You pick up your remote and then you press on the menu button on your remote. That's right here. Okay, so you press on the menu here, you look for media center. Okay, and then you press OK on it. So when you come here, you have already insert your drive right there. Okay, so when you come here, just if you want to go straight to the video files, just come to videos, music, you go for the music. So just sort out the music files on your drive. Okay, if you want all the files to, just press on the files over here, press on the files, and then these are the files that is on my drive right here. Okay, and you can play any one that you want. Okay, alright, so just press on OK and then it will start playing.